in your teen group. So we're recording. Welcome. It is 3 minutes in. We're ready to start our 20 minutes of routine to help you enhance your look. And of course, for those that are just jumping in on Zoom, or will see Zoom at another time, and those that are over on Beauty Tips and Tools, I want you to just take a few minutes for yourself. How many are tired? You had a nice long day. Put me in that club, because you can do whatever it is you set your mind to do. And I can be up 8:30, 10:30, 12 o'clock if I need to be. But on an average day, we work out full days and we're pretty tired. So sometimes people will come home and clean their face and get out of the work clothes right away. Most people jump right into sweats. And then sometimes people will be busy working a couple of hours on their work from home business. So whatever time you end your day, let's start with a beauty routine that will help you keep your looks enhanced, preserve that skin, lift firm and tighten, because we want to be concerned about the neck area. Now, this is actually my work face for today. I even put on a little bit more glamour after my break from the first half of my day, because I have a good 2-3 hour break in there. After that break, I still enhance my glamour so that we could clean our face together. Now, most of the time we will have on our earrings. You want to whip those earrings off. Thank God for my lap. And you want to start getting comfortable. If you have a headband, great. If you do not, just push the hair out of your face. The collections that we will be using today are, I'm going to tell you all about, this is the one that I use. This is Time Wise Repair. Time Wise Repair is definitely top of the line for me. This is can't miss a thing, gotta have it all. Everything I could do to keep this skin lifted, firm, and tight. This is one of the things I do. I clean with this basic Time Wise repair system, and it has its own unique and special attributes that are like no other. But for those who are just getting started in the cute skincare routine, we do use, and I switch back and forth between the collections. This is the Time Wise 4-in-1 Miracle Set. Time Wise 4-in-1 Miracle Set. And this is excellent for advanced skincare, stepping it up, or if you're going 100% natural, there's a whole set called Naturally. Now, to make sure you start your routine the right way, are your hands clean? If you're cleaning your hands 100 times, let me tell you, this Satin Hands collection, it has grown up with me over the last, I guess 40, 50 years of Mary Kay and just taking care of my skin. So these are just beauty tips and tools that are the basics of skincare. So from time to time, you'll see me put my glasses on. Getting started. Step one, if you have makeup on, because many of us like to wear makeup, some do not want to wear makeup. In fact, I heard a young lady say the other day, I don't do all that stuff. I don't like to plan makeup. It's just my thing. So she was really 99.1% contrary to makeup, didn't want anything to do with it. But for sisters and dears and darlings who love skincare and makeup, we love skincare and makeup, you want to start with your all-free eye makeup remover. All-free eye makeup remover. Do you know I think one of these things sell every 5 seconds because of how powerful it is? I have my washcloths handy. And if you're in front of your basin, your vanity, you want to make sure you have all your beauty collections around you, or you may have them organized in what we call a roll-up bag. Remember the roll-up bag? It has different little pouches, so that pouch one, you can have your cleansing items in. So you see how you take this, you squeeze just a little on the cotton swab, whether you use a flat cotton swab or this one. I want you to see how wonderful this product is. It takes off your eye makeup. Oh my God, you don't even want to see the swab, but it takes off your eye makeup and over eye makeup. And I want you to know that yes, there is order of application. There's method of how you rub your skin and all those beautiful tips. But I just want to make sure I get this done in less than 20 minutes, cleaning my face for and with you. So if you do not have your product, no problem. I want you to know that whatever you use it diligently and regularly. As a professional beauty consultant, I went looking for Mary Kay. When I first met the product, that's my brow I'm working on right there. My brows do not grow complete. I learned that that's a sign of a thyroid issue. So see how my eyes are, and then underneath, I'm going for those lashes. And I use generously my product. I treat myself well because sometimes people will have product or have a business and won't even use their own product. So I'm looking up gently. I'm going under my eye, and then I like to go up into those lashes. Make sure I got all of that out of my lashes. This is so gentle that you do not have to rub your face hard. If you do not see what's going on here, then I want you to know I'm gently removing my eye makeup, step 1. In order of application, I also have these for my customers. Order of application, it's a, but this shows all the products. So that if you use this set, this set, this set, or this item, this it's all here. And that is not all the 5 steps. This is every collection that we have right there. Just telling you which one to use first. So my eyes are nice and clear, and my swab is showing that I got all my makeup off. Oh, I just love that. So it says all your makeup is off, Mary. See that beautiful eye? See the one that has the makeup on it? And I love playing in makeup. I love the girly girl thing because like when you look your best, you kind of like feel a little edge, feel a little better. Now, the next thing I'm going to use, and I'm going to use from the Time Wise Miracle Set. We made a couple of little changes with this collection, but we'll be able to go over that, and you'll be able to go to your consultant's website. And for my customers, you go over to my website, and that's www.marykay.com/M.Fernandez. So I am actually going to use my little cleansing tool from the Time Wise collection because I do use my product. And I always use down to the point where you have to cut the tube open. Now, I like using this beautiful clear one, which is combination to oily. I have a little bit of cleanser on my fingers. I'm putting it together like I'm going to do both sides of my face, but actually I'm going to do just one half of my face, gently going up and out on the lips. I could even do all of my lip makeup. I want to do half my face so that you can see how beautifully this product takes off the makeup. Step 2 is you want to cleanse your face in the morning, cleanse your face at night, because there's dirt, grease, and grime in the atmosphere, just like you see the ceiling fans in your home or in your kitchen. And then you also have your bed. Did you know there are dust mites? I was going to give you guys a dust mite client story the other day, and I guess some time ago, and I didn't. These are my washcloths. I always keep these handy for my on-the-go facials. So I just make sure I have plenty of washcloths. Or you have there's a cloth we have called the facial wipes or the facial cloths. So sometimes you want to do your facials on the go, or sometimes people like to do on the run facials and things like that, and they want the beauty consultant to come basically rescue me. So now I have my cleanser on half my face. I have used the Time Wise cleanser. And with the Time Wise cleanser, 4-in-1 cleanser, it is one of the most phenomenal products. Let me show you. When you start using it, you're going to get a insert. And this insert is going to tell you all the things your product does. And I don't like to memorize things and get them wrong, but this is your Time Wise collection that I am using. It's been repackaged and an update to 4-in-1 because we really need all these little extra perks with in taking care of our skin. So when you cleanse, which is step 1, this is Time Wise 4-in-1. It cleanses your skin, refreshes, exfoliates, brightens, and prepares your skin for the benefits of your next skin care step. So we're cleaning our face with the Time Wise cleanser. I have my nice warm water. If you're in the privacy of your vanity, then you would use that. Now you take your washcloth or you take your Skin Vigorate brush and just rub it off your face like that. And that little oscillating brush is cleaning your face. When you're using your Skin Vigorate brush, you stay away from that little fragile area there, but you definitely get the top of your nose, go around your mouth, your chin. So now I'm gonna take this nice warm washcloth. Oh, and take off my foundation. The cleansing process feels so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at there. Around my eyes, I'm going gently up and out. Underneath, I'm going gently up, and get that little corner. Come down. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. When you clean your face, you want to make sure you clean your face from the hairline all the way down to your chin, your neck, and the décolleté. Too often, people will do their face and forget to do their neck, front and back. So you age gracefully. So I see that time. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. The time is flying. So I have my Time Wise Repair. I use my cleanser. I put my little glasses back on to make sure that I'm on top of things. So here we go. The next step is going to be hydrate. When you hydrate your skin, you're using a rich moisturizer. There are a few steps in between your moisturizer and your cleanser that are advanced skincare steps. So you want to take a dab of your cleanser moisturizer, but there's a secret weapon here. You want to make sure in between your cleanser and your moisturizer, you use your nighttime. This is back, y'all. In between that, you want to defend the daytime defender or the nighttime defender. So they have it here in the order they want you to use it. So they want you to use the moisturizer first. So I'm going to do exactly what they tell me to do and not what I choose to do. You're going to put a nice little amount of your moisturizer on, little forehead, over here, over here, over here, over here. Oh my goodness, nice. And then you take that and you gently go up and out, go around the face. And you see, I'm very heavy with my product. One of the things is you don't have to put a lot. A little goes a long way. Did you see that? Gently up and out around the eyes. And of course, you're going to do your neck. Now, once that dries, just give it a couple of seconds, probably while you brush your teeth. I'm going to use the Nighttime Restore product. This one is just off the chain. And let me tell you, for the Facebook clients, we're getting ready to come off at about 4 more minutes, and we're going to stay on in Zoom while we go over a couple of tips and deals. The Time Wise Nighttime Recovery. So many are so glad to see this product back. Nighttime Recovery works overnight to reveal skin that looks rested and feels renewed as expression lines appear softened and the look of wrinkles is reduced. Because when people start seeing wrinkles, they kind of start panicking. So I take a little bit of this and I'm putting it, dab on my forehead, dab on my cheek, dab here, a little extra, take that, gently smooth it out. Oh my goodness. I haven't even cleaned this half of the face, but put that on and my goodness, don't you just love it? So coming right around, this is 20 minutes of beauty tips that can help you enhance your look. This is the undercover back office work that we do to take care of our skin. It's nighttime, y'all. So here, we're coming down to our last 2 steps in the last 2 minutes. You want to make sure your lips are cared for. I should have cleaned all my lips. This is the satin lip set. Oh my goodness. You're talking about fine lines and vertical lines you don't want right here. And lines, all those extensive lines that can show up. It's never too late to start taking care of your skin and stop that clock, slow it down. I did a little extra because I didn't do my whole mouth when I was taking off the product. And I'm generous. I got to make sure I got all that on. See, I'm doing my outer edge in the corner. My outer edge here, over my mouth and under, making sure I'm getting those lines. I'm going to take and rinse my face. Take off that, that satin lipstick, all that lipstick off. Oh, it felt so good. When I'm done, I'm going to clean my whole face. And finally, we're going to use the eye cream. Now, you see here in the collection, it did not ask me. It says in the morning, you're going to cleanse, hydrate, and defend. In the evening, nighttime, you're going to cleanse, recover, and hydrate. So now the last secret weapon of beauty as we finish the 20-minute routine, y'all. And this is just getting your face ready for bed. I got a little dab of the eye cream. Let me tell you, this is where I put my eye cream. Boom, 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 boom. Out, out, up, up, out, out, up, up. And it is currently time to go. 5 beautiful things you can do to take care of your skin is every day to the week, morning and night, cleanse your face. We use today as our featured product, the Time Wise 4-in-1 Miracle Set. Now for Facebook, we're getting ready to shut down, but we're going into Zoom, which will be available to my clients every session. The details of how you can have this and take this product home with you. Now over in Zoom, here we go. Bye, Facebook. So ladies and gentlemen, over here on Zoom, I want you to know how you can have this product. See, this is scary to people. They think these are all the products we use. These are every collections. It's talking about what to do in the morning with this collection, that collection, that collection. Then it goes down and talk about this collection, that collection, that collection.